Hi all, welcome back to Florence Academy. Today we are going to discuss how an overseas qualified pharmacist can apply for registration in UK or Great Britain, and how can they start their job proceedings in UK or Great Britain. First of all, from this year onwards, it is a little more easy for the overseas or non-European candidates to go and work in UK, because now the pharmacy job has also included in UK shortage job list. As a result, we all know, according to the UK visa and immigration system, we need a minimum 70 points to apply for UK jobs. Since the pharmacy jobs are now included in the shortage job list, out of this 70, 20 points an overseas pharmacist will get freely. Okay, and the remaining 50 points we can meet if we pass the required qualification exams and all. We can easily meet the remaining 50 points. And the another advantage is that till this year, for showing the English language proficiency, the pharmacist has to write IELTS exam. It was the only exam to show English language proficiency. But from this year onwards, we can write either IELTS or OET, Occupational English Test, to prove our English language proficiency. So it's a great advantage to the pharmacists and pharmacy technicians who are trying to get a career in UK. So next, we can see what is the registration process for an overseas pharmacist to apply for UK job as a registered pharmacist in UK. Should possess a pharmacy qualification. That is at least equivalent to the UK's bachelor degree of pharmacy. Okay, so first of all, we should have an pharmacy qualification from our native country, and it should be at least meeting the same standard of UK's bachelor pharmacy degree. For example, from India, etc., the normal degree courses in pharmacy are equivalent to UK's bachelor degree programs from the normal universities. And the next step is from our native country, that means the country from which we have passed the pharmacy qualification, we should have a registration certificate that is valid for practicing in our home country. That means we should have a valid registration certificate. And our bachelor degree should be having minimum at least 3 years of academic duration according to our transcript documents. Hope you understood. If we are having these primary qualifications, the next step for the registration process is that we should take an English language proficiency test. From this year onwards, either we can take IELTS or OET. Certainly, OET will be more helpful for the medical candidates to score good grades. And the present OET score for the pharmacist for the registration in UK Council is B in each modules. That means B grade in reading, B grade in writing, and B grade in listening, and B grade in speaking. That means we have to secure individual B grade in all the 4 modules in a single sitting. Presently there is no clubbing option. Should note that point very clearly. So after passing this English language test, the next step is that we should apply for the OSPAP program. It is nothing but it is a 1-year accredited overseas pharmacist assessment program. Okay, it's an overseas pharmacist assessment program. Its short name is that OSPAP. We have to do that course in UK. Many universities are doing that. So we have to successfully complete this 1-year accredited OSPAP program. That means overseas pharmacist assessment program. So we can apply for this program and we can join for that. And after successful completion of this OSPAP program, the next step for a pharmacist is that he or she should take a 52-week pre-registration training program. Okay, the next step is he or she should take a 52-week pre-registration training program in Great Britain, and we have to successfully complete that training session. A candidate who has completed this training session, the next step is that there will be a assessment exam conducted by the Gphc. That means a registration assessment exam will be conducted by the Pharmacy Council. We have to pass that exam. That means like the other licensing exams, for example DHA, HAD or NAPLEX, like those exams, there is a Gphc exam for the assessment of this trained pharmacist. So we have to pass that or successfully we should win that this registration assessment exam by the Gphc. So after passing this assessment exam, we can easily register in UK and we can search or start our jobs. And another important point we have to consider is that once we start our application for the Gphc, that means when we start our application procedures, within 2 academic years we have to complete this OSPAP program. OSPAP program is 1-year program. From the starting time of our application process, we have to complete this OSPAP program within 2 academic years. If we fail in that, means if we are not able to complete this OSPAP in 2 years, then we have to start a fresh application. It's very important. And another thing we have to note is that from the starting of the OSPAP program, within 4 years we have to complete this OSPAP program and the 52-week pre-registration training program and the passing of the assessment exam conducted by the Gphc Council. So the Gphc Council will give us 4 years to complete all these procedures. So within 4 years we have to complete these procedures in 4 academic years. And another doubt normally the pharmacist asks us is that suppose if their qualification in pharmacy, that means their bachelor's degree qualification in pharmacy is below the UK degree standard, what they have to do? There may be some candidates from some countries or from some universities, they will be completed their pharmacy course, but the problem is that it is below the standard level of UK degree program. Then what are the procedures for such candidates to Registered Pharmacy Council of UK. The first step is they have to pass that pharmacy program from their country, and they should have a valid, what we say, registration certificate. These two things are mandatory. And after that, we have to pass an English language test, that is either IELTS or OET, and also our pharmacy course should be minimum, it should be of minimum 3 years duration. Okay, so these all steps are same. The next step is different. That means if our pharmacy degree or qualification is not meeting the UK degree standard criteria, what we have to do is that before doing the OSPAP program, we have to do a pre-OSPAP assessment. Okay, before doing the OSPAP program, we have to do a pre-OSPAP assessment. We should complete that pre-OSPAP assessment within 18 months. Otherwise, we have to start a fresh new application. And after completing this, or after successfully winning this pre-OSPAP assessment, the next step is similar to the first case. That means they have to complete 1 year accredited OSPAP program, and after that they have to undergo a 52-week pre-registration training program, and after that they should pass the assessment exam conducted by the Gphc. Also, we should when we start our application, we should complete this OSPAP program within 2 years, and after that we have to complete our this pre-registration training of 52 weeks, and we should attend the assessment exam, and if we pass in the assessment exam, we can successfully register in the UK Pharmacy Council as a registered pharmacist or pharmacy technician, whatever your category is, and you can easily search for the jobs. So hope you got an overall idea about how an overseas or in that overseas itself, how an non-European overseas pharmacy graduate, how can they register in or try to register in UK Pharmacy Council as a pharmacist. Even though these are some lengthy process when compared to nurses or doctors, if you are taking a little effort, it's easy for a pharmacy graduate to complete these processes. That means this OSPAP program, after that 52-week training program, and after that the assessment exam conducted by Gphc. This all a pharmacy graduate can easily, what we say, they can overcome these steps if they have confidence and if they are having a basic degree knowledge in pharmacy. So hope in the coming years more pharmacists can migrate to UK and they can live, work and settle there. Best wishes for all. If you are having any additional doubts, you can comment and ask us. Also, if you need any placement assistance or IELTS, OET trainings, or this Gphc assessment exam trainings, etc., you can surely meet, you can surely contact Florence Academy. We will provide you the necessary helps and trainings and coachings. Also, our WhatsApp number is 9526145043. You can contact in that also. So thank you all. Have a good day.